Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for TAO price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. As you can see, all our scenarios and possibilities between bullish and bearish and the crossroads in between them. Of course, I'm gonna explain each one of them what we can have as a next move. So as we can see, we have here a wave 1 as an impulse. Of course, this is just a market psychology, finding of course the psychology over there to start impulsive. You have a wave 1 and then A, B, and a C, finishing a wave 2 here. As a 1, 2, and then 3, 4, and a 5. Your wave 3 is this 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Finished, of course, a wave 3 here for your white count as 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Now your wave 5 here is truncated, I would say, in case this is a wave 5, because it looks like kind of impulsive, finishing in an ending diagonal here, as we can see, very clear. However, it didn't took the high of the wave 3, meaning it got truncated and is called still, of course, as a wave 1. Finished as an impulse, or a wave B in case of course we are corrective. So we have both scenarios, right? So we need always to be careful with it. So after this, we are looking after this probable scenario. We have of course a probability that we might still get the high, probably, but not very sure, because we are very close to the invalidation point, where you have of course interfered your wave 4 with the zone 1. It is exactly there. So as you can see, this is your wave 1. We have barely touched it, and now we're coming back again. So I'm going back soon for this, of course, for our chart. But let me explain the full scenarios. So we have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, probably here finishing a 1, 2, and then 3, 4, and a 5. Finishing a wave 1, right? Or finishing an A, B, and a C, a wave A for the blue count, yeah, in 3 waves up, 3 waves down, and then probably 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Continuation for higher prices for a wave C in the blue count. Yeah, so these are the scenarios. And this is considered as one wave because it looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Finish count blue in a wave A, and you would like to see here a correction, which it can be very clearly WXY, where you have a zigzag for your Y, zigzag for your W, zigzag for your X, triple zigzag, of course, very sharp, and then moving impulsively 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, probably finishing a wave 1 in your bullish scenario, 1 and 2. So you're looking for this wave 2 probably here and moving for higher prices. In case, of course, we don't move and take one more high. If we take one more high from here, because I said, okay, we invalidate this bullish scenario exactly at the point. So probability still there maybe to move higher and take the one here. Yeah, so shifting all these waves to this side. Yeah. So anyway, it is the same scenario because I consider the same here but truncated. Yeah. So in case it is a wave 1 here, you would like to seek after wave 2 in the yellow scenario, which it should be 3 waves toward the downside, A, B, and a C. Perfect fib level 0.618, 0.78. The start of the time for this wave 2 might be in July 2025. Perfect time would be, of course, in the middle around the October 2025. So A, B, and a C. And then moving again, of course, for higher wave 3, 4, and a 5, right, in an impulse. Meaning, of course, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Of course, higher prices you would like to see with a one more additional wave for 5. So these are the blue scenarios and the yellow scenarios, which they are bullish, 3 waves up, B and a C, right, in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, wave C. Or you have, of course, a one impulse finish here as a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. And now you're looking at a wave 2 for your wave 2 in the yellow count, 3, 4, and a 5 impulsively towards the upside. The perfect fib, of course, for your wave C is 4,265. Of course, we want to repeat this, but don't forget that you still need, of course, probably lower prices, and then, of course, you move for higher later on. Now, of course, these are the logarithmic fib levels, and of course, because yeah, you know that the market always in crypto tend to be logarithmic, so we might repeat the same move toward the upside. Here we go. You already got the same, even bigger wave one here than the previous. So you would like to hit, of course, this in case we are in ABC blue count. Bearish scenario is, of course, your wave two. Yeah, in case you are in the yellow, you need lower prices even, probably between 0.618. So this might be your A B, and a C, probably even, as well as a bearish. Yeah, you might have 3 waves up, 3 waves down, and then moving for a wave C toward the upside. All right, so this is the magenta here, where we might have deeper ABC after ABC as well here, and then here we go. Yeah, and at the same time, this is gonna serve as a wave 2, yeah, for your wave 1 in the yellow count. So that is a confluence with scenarios here, yeah, 1, 2, and then A, B, and a C as well, yeah. So these are the scenarios. Now, on the 4-hour chart, what is the highest possibility for now between those possibilities? As you can see, we see a lot of red, and we hit, of course, the invalidation point, and we're getting back to it. And this looks for me right now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 as a contracting diagonal. This is the first possibility, leading diagonal, meaning impulse 3, 4, and 5 toward the downside in the yellow count, probably. Yeah, so this wave 1 might shift to here in case, of course, we are bearish. So also another scenario can be a double 1, 2. So 1, 2, and then 1, 2, and then 3, 4, 5, 4, 5 towards the downside. So basically, yeah, it is kind of like more bearish than bullish here. If we are bullish, you would like to finish in W, X, and a Y, of course. Your wave W is a zigzag, your X is also the zigzag, and of course, one final structure here for your wave Y. And in this case scenario, you are in the blue count, right? In the blue scenario, A, B, and a C, where your wave C is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 toward the upside. So you would like to hit, of course, around this area. You still have the 0.618, 0.78 to finish a wave 2 for this scenario as 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. So I would say still, of course, there is some possibility for the bullish here so far, but it needs lower prices. So we need lower prices in order to have a bullish scenario, of course, and probably 0.618 or lower a little bit would be a perfect scenario. Now touching the 886 here, diving deeper, this is of course a totally different scenario unfolding here, and it might be of course an impulse A, B, and a C toward the downside, which is your magenta here, right? Finishing a wave C in an impulse toward the downside, and finishing probably a wave A, B, and a C for a wave 2 in the yellow count. So yeah, basically these are the insights for TAO right now. We are looking for lower probably because we have kind of invalidated. If we don't see this one more move towards the upside, this is gonna be deleted soon. And therefore, of course, what is left for us right now is a downtrend, probably to this area or a little bit lower. And then, yeah, we have to figure out, is it 5 waves up, 3 waves down, continuation for higher? And of course, here is your confirmation. Or is it only 3 waves up, continuation toward the downside, taking this low, and of course, confirmation for lower prices. First taking the 886. With the 886, meaning, of course, continuation to the next level. That was it for TAO. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments, and see you in the next one. Bye-bye.